Well, it's clear so much happening in the political scene, and we'll be evaluating all those recent developments as of 10 p.m. So do stay with us.
All right, let's now talk about Nairobi County, specifically the fight pitting the county and Kenya Power. More players have joined the fray, with a spotlight being cast on the two warring entities. Now, Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen has condemned Monday's incident where Nairobi County workers dumped waste outside Kenya Power's offices at Steamer Plaza building, saying investigations are ongoing and that legal action will be taken against the culprits. This even as the Council of Governors rallied support behind Nairobi County as it pointed accusing fingers at Kenya Power. Catherine Imuraget looks at the never-ending blame game. Listen in.
Few days has seen accusations and counter-accusations pitting Nairobi County and Kenya Power over huge debts running into billions of shillings. And the fight is not just about to end. Efforts by Chief of Staff and Head of Public Service Felix Koskei to resolve the dispute may have cooled tempers, but the fire is still burning. Today, Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen condemned Monday's incident, saying investigations are ongoing and those found guilty of dumping waste outside Steamer Plaza will be dealt with legally.
First of all, that is primitive. That is unacceptable. There is a consensus in the country that that was the most primitive thing anyone can ever do. And we actually condemn that behavior in the highest terms possible. And we are going to take action to whatever level necessary to ensure that the persons who planned, who executed, who are actually charged in a court of law.
The CS says some officers of the Nairobi County have been arrested and are helping in the investigations. This as Health Principal Secretary Mary Muthoni visited the Kenya Power headquarters Thursday and described the incident as a health hazard for Kenyans. She called on the Nairobi County government to clean up the area and resolve its differences with the Kenya Power.
The restaurant down here, they literally had to close because of the same. That is wasted opportunity. Really, government agencies must know how to resolve their own issues without bringing them out in the public, and especially when issues have to deal with public health risk and concerns.
But even as the county government was put on the spot, the Council of Governors has come out strongly to lay the blame on the Kenya Power. According to the governors, Kenya Power was engaging in unchecked power in their disputes with the county governments. The Council of Governors accused the company of carrying out abrupt power disconnections without due process of the law and cited several incidents where power was disconnected to public hospitals.
We're just asking KPLC to exercise wisdom in the resolution of its dispute. KPLC offers critical services, but they also receive critical services from county governments, as was demonstrated by Nairobi County. It should never have escalated to that, but it can be that they bully county governments.
Since Monday, it has been a battle of two bulls, and whenever two bulls fight, the grass gets hard. It is hoped that the dispute between the Nairobi County government and Kenya Power will be sorted once and for all.